Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, buen día. Okay, so today all numbers. Estrelas de sorte. Portugal lottery tickets, guys. Estrelas de sorte, sorte set. All the names of the tickets. Most of the times there are always sorte. But I scratched 5 years in Portugal. There's no sorte, okay? Just the name of the tickets. Marketing, good marketing, okay? Let's start with this. Estrelas de sorte, lucky stars. I use these American coins, random red, okay? Here we're looking for Lua or moon, diamante. Okay, so I'm gonna say in Portuguese numbers, 48, 4. 48, no 4, 44, 51, 44, I don't see 51, no 51, or I miss it. 2, 12, 12, 2, 59, 59, 49, 36, 36, 49, 35, 17, 17, 35, no 35, no 35, or I don't see. 25, 16, 25, 16, no 16, ay Lord, or I don't see. 46, 31. There's this size, so this is a winner. Okay, €5 win. 46, 31. 46, 46, 31, 46. B. Oh Lord. I don't want B. 27, 33. B guys, €5. Okay, it's better than nothing. 27, 33. I don't want to see B. 33. Nada or what? I don't see or nothing or I don't see. 8, 23. 8. No, 23. But this is €5, guys, because B is €5, okay? So this is a winner. €5, okay? I was hoping it's €15 because only 13 is missing, but no, B is confirmed €5, okay? Maybe I missed numbers, but this is €5 because it's B. Now let's go to sorte set. I have ticket number 31 and 30. Okay, I have to complete the 7 symbol. 7 symbol. Jugo. There are 9 chances to win. Jugo. Game 1 to game 9. Let's start with 30. Okay? 46, 14. 46, 14. In Portuguese, numerous. Okay? 23, 36. 36. 23. 33, 12. 33, 12. 12. 5, 29. 29. Ba't 5, Jessica? 9. 9, 29. Oh Lord, you cannot see. 9, 29. 29. 9. 9 guys in English. 28 ohm. Ay, Jesus, my phone keeps stopping guys. Okay, 28 ohm. I think I already 28. 28. 27. 47. 27. 47. 22. 11. 22. There's ohm here. 11. There's 12 here also. I need 11. No 11. There's 11. No 4, right? Okay. I need 4 to win. 30, 38. 30, 38. No 2. Oh Lord. If 2 is the winner. 13, 20 ohm. No 54. No 48. No 53. No 4, no 16. No 13. No 4. No 2. No 2. No. No 52. No 52. But this is a winner. P. Oh Lord, Sika. Where is the win here? 13. This is a winner, guys. I don't know where. 54. No. 48. 48. No. 48. No. 48. 53. No, 53. 13. Ah, here. 13. This is a winner. 13. How much? 7 euro. Okay, so this is a winner. 7 euro. So plus 5 euro. So I got 12 euro. Almost got my money back, guys. Okay. I missed the 13. So this is a winner. Okay, so no 2. No 4. No 2. No 4. No 52. So this is 7 euro. Okay, not bad guys. Ticket number 31. Oh, so far all winners. Let's hope this is also a winner. 53, 2. 53, 2. 53. Okay. 3:42. Okay. 38, 39, 38, 39, 39, 39. Okay. 24, 55, 24, 55. 14, 40. 14, 40. 55, okay. 37, 52. 52. No 37. Or I don't see. Like always. There's 37. Ay, chica. 28, 54. 28, 54. Not so many numbers, guys. 41. 9. 41, 9. No 34. No 34. No. Last number. 23, 46. 23, 46, 3, 14. Ay, chica. No, 27. 27. 27. No. A lot of numbers that I miss here. 23, 23 here. 46. 37, 47. No, 27. So this is not a winner, I think. No, not a winner. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, so not a winner. But I spent 13, guys. How much I spent? 13, right? 10 and 3, 13, and I won 12. So I only lost €1. Okay, so €1 is not bad, guys. If we only lost €1 is not bad. Okay, so always minimum price available in this world. So I got 7 and 5. So, gaste 13, ganyan, 12. €1, 2 para sa casa. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.